In this video, we'll do the integral of ln of x squared plus 1. So we're going to let x equals tangent theta. dx will be secant squared theta. This will be the integral of ln tangent squared theta plus 1 times secant squared theta. Tangent squared plus 1 is secant squared. But because it's squared, we can bring the 2 to the front. Times secant squared theta. So now we're going to do DI method, or integration by parts. So we're going to differentiate 2 ln of secant theta. When we integrate secant squared theta, we'll get tangent theta. Do plus minus. The derivative of 2 ln of secant theta is 2 over secant theta times the derivative, which is secant theta, tangent theta. So that will cancel. It'll just be minus 2, or just 2 tangent theta. So this integral equal this term times this term as I draw the arrow. So it'll be 2 tangent theta times natural log of secant theta. And then we have minus 2 integral of these combined. So it'll be 2 integral of tangent squared theta d theta. This is 2 tangent theta natural log of secant theta minus 2 integral. Tangent squared theta is secant squared theta minus 1. So this is secant squared minus 1. So the minus 1 will turn into plus 2. And then the integral of 1 is just theta. So this will be 2 tangent theta natural log of secant theta minus 2 integral. So when we integrate secant squared theta, we get tangent theta plus 2 theta. So now that I have that I is 2 tangent theta natural log of secant theta. And then we have minus 2 tangent theta plus 2 theta. And we know that x is tangent theta. So we're going to draw a triangle. So our angle will be here. And so tangent theta is opposite over adjacent, and that's x over 1. So opposite would be x here, and adjacent would be 1. And so we have to complete the other side. So this is Pythagorean theorem. It would just be x squared plus 1. A squared plus square root of a squared plus b squared. So this tells us that secant theta, just rewrite that, secant theta is hypotenuse over adjacent, which is adjacent is 1, and hypotenuse is square root of x squared plus 1. So now we have all the terms to write I. So I is equal to 2 tangent theta, which is x, ln of secant theta, which is square root of x squared plus 1. But I'm going to rewrite it as x squared plus 1 to the 1/2. You'll see in a second. Minus 2 tangent theta is x plus 2 theta is inverse tangent of x. And then we can add c, but I'm just going to do another cancellation. This 1/2 will go to the front. So I'll just divide by 2, and then the 1/2 will can't go away. 2 over 2 is 1. So our final answer is x ln of x squared plus 1 minus 2x plus 2 inverse tangent of x plus c. And that is the answer and the end of the video.